good day. Welcome to the channel. Today I would like to show you another project that we are actually looking at, the things that we're doing here. We are currently building a hotel. Yes, it is a hotel. This is 35 roomed hotel. It's got a restaurant, it's got a bar, and those are, I think you can say, are the two major amenities for this hotel. So people here in Zimbabwe are building, as you can see. Again, this is a project whereby the owner is not in Zimbabwe, the owner is outside of Zimbabwe, and they are doing their own property for them to generate revenue. So we have been doing this project, and as I said, this is the first time we are going to be showing this project, and from now on we will be showing it until we complete. And as much as we go through this journey, we will be giving you as much information as you can see. So I will also show you how the hotel should look like once it is complete. But at the present moment, we have finished the ground floor. After we finished the ground floor, now we're working on doing the steel works on the top floor before we cast the concrete. And after we've cast the concrete, then we will start doing brickwork again. So this is the entrance where you enter through the hotel. This is the major entrance through the hotel. From here you can see there's a foyer. This is the foyer area that we are at, which we are looking at. This is the foyer area. To your left, you'll be turning into the restaurant area side. So let me take you through this side. From here we come through. This is the foyer area that we are in, and as you can see, there is a small little garden in the center for that has been designed by the architect. And from here, this is the reception area. After the reception, we come through into here. This is the lounge sitting area. There are two lounges that have been placed by the owner, so it is quite a big lounge. It's divided by this wall. So there will be one side where we say there are lounge seats. On the other side, there will be tables and chairs. So these are things that I will show as we get along. And as you can see in here, this is the restaurant. This is the kitchen. This is the kitchen, which is yet to be completed. But on top of the kitchen, this is where it completes the kitchen. And once we have completed here, we then start works already on building. There will be actually a roof on top of here. These are spaces that are being made on site for the deck, as you can see, for the steelworks. So they have made quite a lot of spaces which are actually curing, and these will be used as we go along. So as you can see from the outside, there are ducts. These are the ducts. This is for the water, electricity connections and everything. These are the ducts, as you can see from the outside. So after every room there is a duct. These are concealed ducts so that they do not protrude and look. We do not want pipe work to be running all the way on the outside. It does not look nice, like all the old time ago building whereby you would put pipe work and all the pipe work would be sticking out. All the pipe work now will be concealed. Therefore, from here we then walk back through the lounge area. This room over here, which I'm just about to show you, these are the toilets. These will be the guest toilets for those people from the restaurant side. When you want to go into the restaurant, you'll have a toilet that is this side. From this wing, from the right hand side to the left hand side, on the left hand side, this is more of the staff and guest, the staff toilet, staff or the offices. So these are the the staff toilets. And as you can see from here, then we come into the offices. There will be offices on this side. As you can, right now, due to all these works that you can see, it's kind of difficult to really visualize. But as I said, I'll give you as much information as I can until it's easier when the thing is complete. But it's also good for you to see as the things are being built. As you can see, these are deck pans that have been used for the ceiling works. So these are deck pans which have been put up, and then after these deck pans have been put up, then we then put the mesh on top, then the steel reinforcement beams that have been, which we have used on the upper level. That I will give you more information when we get to the upper level. So from inside here, we then take a tour this way into the courtyard, which is, as you can see here, we've already done the pillars. These pillars are done from concrete, so all the way we did them from the bottom. This is what the first areas that we did as excavation. We excavated these pillars so that they would come all the way from the deck of the building. So we have done these all the way through this area. So the foyer will be then comprised, each and every one of these is a room. All these are bedrooms. Each room has got its own shower, its own bathtub. So let me go into at least one. If I go into one room, it gives you an idea of how big the room is. So this is the size of a room. So the only thing that is now left is to put the toilet, a shower, and a hand sink inside here, and then obviously the electrical works will then be completed and everything. So this is where we are on this project here on the lower level, and I think there are things that I just need to show which would then obviously help a little bit more, like the staircase to upstairs. There will be a staircase which we are placing. Let me go through, walk through here. So from the foyer there will be a staircase which goes upstairs. Obviously on this area there will be a staircase. There will be one staircase there, and then the second staircase will be placed here. So this is where the second staircase will be placed, as this one will also then go up to the upper level. So these are things that we are working on slowly but surely. We will get there and we will complete these within a reasonable time, and also we're working with the owner to make sure that funds are available to complete these. So this is from the outside, from the back side of the building. This is how it will look like, but obviously it won't look like this. We're going to plaster. The walls are obviously going to be plastered, and that is a thing that we will be looking at as we keep on going through this. I will give you updates when I see that we have surpassed a certain milestone, so that it does not always look boring to be just getting the same old video and things that just look the same. So right now we are working on the upper deck, and I will go and show you. We are on the upper level. On the upper level currently we are doing the steel works. This is the steel fixing that we're doing. The steel fixing that we're doing is after the engineer's drawing. This is from the engineer's drawings. The engineer's drawings are the ones which are guiding us on how to set up this steel work. So the steel work is a mixture of 12 millimeter rebars and 16 millimeter rebars. So where we are looking at right now, this is the section for the rooms. This is the room section all the way around. So the rooms wrap round all the way to this side. When we get to this side, this is going to be a bar. This is the bar area that we are looking at. So we are just currently just finishing off the rebars and the steel fixing. After the steel fixing, then the engineer will come through, check, sign off on this, that everything is correct. And at the same time we also need to start shattering again on the side, so that we do the pouring of the concrete. As you can see, there's a truck. The truck has just arrived. This truck has arrived with cement, and this was the thing that was actually slowing us down. We didn't have cement. As you can see, the stone and the sand is here available for us to continue to do the works. So this is really just mainly about the upstairs. These pipes, as you can see, these are standing pipes. This is either for sewage or for rain, but if I'm correct, most of this is for rain, because these are the gutters which go all the way down, which carry the gutters for the water. So this is where we are at on this part. I would like to say everyone who's enjoying and liking the videos, please keep on enjoying, and please keep on giving us your comments and your likes. It helps us grow this channel. Thank you and have a good day.